An abandoned hotel lies in Shimoda, Shizuoka Prefecture, southwest of Tokyo. The city began administrative execution to demolish dangerous sections of the building. The hotel has been abandoned for about 25 years. The location has a reputation for being haunted, and people have been seen trespassing. TV crew took a look at the state of the hotel 3 years ago.
一部は崩れたんでしょうか。天井が剥がれ落ちていることも確認できます。
The building was severely dilapidated. It has caused damage to the house next door as well. Debris from the collapsing hotel fell onto the house and broke part of the roof. 2 years ago, a fire mysteriously broke out at the hotel. Shimoda officials asked the Tokyo real estate company that owns the building to manage the aging structure, but no action was taken. The city proceeded with the demolition of one building that is already falling apart and will charge the owner 6.1 million yen for the expense.